How to use the keyword research tool in Inlinks. When you create a new brief or a new audit, Inlinks will automatically perform keyword research around the keyword that you have put into the brief or audit. You can find this on the left-hand side in this tab here. It will start off with 0 keywords and make its way up to its final amount. You will know it's finished when this tick appears, and that's when the export to CSV will appear. How to interpret this? Well, Inlinks is clustering entities and sending them to Google's API. So although we've put in internal linking, we are now clustering semantically close clusters and keywords. So internal linking plus SEO, internal linking practices, internal linking strategy, so on and so forth. This then allows you to press on the clusters that you want to learn more about. So people are looking at external linking best practices, internal linking best practices, all of these things. And we have rated this in terms of relevance to your keyword. So this is not talking about keyword difficulty or keyword volume or these things, but what it is looking at is how to talk relevantly about broader concepts surrounding your initial keyword, which is internal linking. So if you wanted to look more at the internal linking strategies and what people are looking at, or maybe internal linking pages, you can have a look and see what people are asking here. Now, if you want to add these to your current editor score, you can press this plus button. Maybe you think, okay, I really do need to add the phrase GitHub pages internal links. You press that there, and like other things in Inlinks, it will turn up at the bottom in your content ideas section. To understand a bit more of the user intent, we have 2 different metrics. So we are telling you that 38% of the information that we retrieved for this keyword research is informational. So that comes under the transactional, informational, branded, these kind of broad concepts. But also we are looking at the verbs associated with this research. So we're taking all of the keyword research that we've put here, and out of those clusters, we are giving you a more in-depth search into the verbs that they are using. So people are looking specifically at how to create these internal links, needing help, how to find internal links on a page, how to find them, which is maybe something that you would not have understood or thought about before. But these verbs reveal the very essence of the intent behind a search query. So it's great to have a look at these, and you can always go and show all here. Remember, you can filter for just questions and filter for different things like that, or just the keywords or just the questions. Please do not run more than one of these at a time, because the system doesn't really like that when you do that, especially because we're using Google's API, and you run the risk of your IP address being blocked. And if you need any help with interpreting this, then please do come down to this chat icon in the bottom right hand side.